Good morning, YouTube. I got some good news and I got some bad news. Good news, I've got some more information on my car. The biggest issue is a blown supercharger. Already knew that, but yay. The bad news is there's another issue. I had a slight inclination of it. Obviously, you know, I've modified my car. I have 1120 horsepower. I have not done anything with my clutch. So, there you go. My clutch is also going out, but that's alright. That was already pre-warned to me that I should have changed my clutch when I started modifying my vehicle, and, you know, I took Tim's advice, and I didn't do it at that time. I was like, you know, whatever. When my clutch goes, I'll either get an aftermarket or replace in kind. So, that's on me. But yeah, that's my other issue. So thank God there is nothing else. It's just the clutch and the supercharger. So both are getting fixed. I have picked a route, which I have, we'll see how it goes. Again, thanks for everyone's comments, concerns, staying with the channel, keeping me updated. It's better than driving in the F-150 every day. And if only this was a Mopar. I'm sorry. I should have bought a Ram. But anywho, I bought this many years ago, way before I ever had my Hellcat. So anyhow, things are looking better. It comes at a cost, but things are looking better. And thanks again for the support from my family as well. We're definitely get the beast back up and rolling. And hopefully it's the same, if not better, than it was before. So with that being said, that may be a little hint at what I'm getting done, but we shall see. But I am excited. It is getting worked on. I'm hoping here in a couple weeks it'll be complete, redone, and I do have some exciting news. One of the other things, so take this all aside, it's still a blessing in disguise. I purchased, and I'll share with you guys that, because that's at least some enlightening encouragement and some good things that are coming my way. My drive shaft has shown up. Great that it shows up when everything's down, but hey, I've been waiting on it for a long time. It's a DSS 4-inch one-piece drive shaft, so it'll be remarkable. So I can't wait. That's getting put in, and then I'm gonna have my sticky tires. I'm gonna leave this video short. Cars in the shop, I'll try to keep you guys updated and maybe drop some hints here and there exactly what's getting done. But thanks again for everyone. Continue watching Ethanol Hound. Like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.